Saturday Extra is brought to you by Texas Mattress Makers. Everyday low price, best quality, even better sleep.
Good morning and welcome to Saturday Extra. I'm Cynthia Cisneros, and joining me this morning, our dear friend Yuval Michler with Texas Mattress Makers. Good morning to you.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm great. It's good to see you. You know, we're in the month of February, and can you guess why February is one of my favorite months?
No, tell me.
Well, I will, as a matter of fact. First of all, Valentine's Day. Love that. But it's also Heart Month. And Heart Month is something that really teaches us to take a look at our heart health. And part of that is an opportunity for us to make that connection between heart health and a good night's sleep.
So I have a personal story for you. About 2.5 years ago, a little bit more, I actually had a heart attack. And I have been in the mattress business all my life. And I always knew that sleeping well is very important. I never quite understood how sleeping comfortable and well helps your heart. Every good cardiologist that I've spoken to has told me the single most important thing for your heart is to exercise and to sleep well. Very well.
I think part of that includes when you go to sleep, you stay asleep.
That's correct.
And that is directly related, you say, to the surface of the mattress.
It's everything about your comfort. When you think of comfort, has to fit you. If you're talking about your shoes are comfortable because they fit you well. Clothing, hats, and so on and so forth. It's the same thing with a mattress. If Cynthia's body fits well into that mattress, whatever it may be, you will sleep well. Your weight will be distributed properly, and you will sleep comfortably, and you won't toss and turn, and you will sleep well.
And you'll get that good night's sleep, waking up feeling refreshed.
Exactly right.
You know, I want to talk about being refreshed because you've got a refresh at Texas Mattress Makers. You've got a second location out in Katy. Mm-hmm. And when we talk about a second location, you're not losing the experts. No. The experts have traveled with you.
That's exactly right. It took us over 1.5 years to decide to open up the store. And we trained people to go to the store. Had we not been able to train the people, Cynthia, I would have not opened up that second store.
So the same experts at a different location, and those experts really, that's where the rubber hits the road. That's where the customers come in and they find out what type of surface they need, exactly. And they get that custom fit.
That's exactly right. We will sell you what you need, not what we have. If you need this type of comfort level, that's what we're going to sell you. Nothing else.
And I got to say, it's worth repeating that the price of the mattress doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be higher because you're getting that custom fit.
I assure you that the price of the mattress is not going to be higher. And I assure you that if you can compare that mattress to another mattress, it's going to be minimally 50% less than you would find the equal mattress somewhere else.
And you've gotten rid of the middleman is a big reason for that. It's you make the mattresses and you sell the mattresses.
Correct. The only reason we would have a middleman is because you brought them.
Well, that's not going to happen. We'll make sure. So let's talk about those sales that are going on, those prices as they are getting better with every time we come out here. But the showroom special that we're going to mention now is the pocketed coil mattress sets. They start at $599. Mm-hmm. You have it at $349. That's a real savings. And that's the already low factory direct prices at TexasMattressMakers.com if you have more information or want more information about that.
What I want folks to know is that we had a special purchase and we related to the customers, and that's why you're getting a very good mattress for $349.
Thank you so very much, and thank you for joining us this Saturday on Saturday Extra.
Saturday Extra has been brought to you by Texas Mattress Makers. Everyday low price, best quality, even better sleep.